Draw a circle of radius 3 cm. Take 2 points P and Q on one side of its extended diameter each at a distance 7 cm from its center. Draw tangents to the circle from these points P and Q. Now, as every time we do, first of all we will draw our rough figure or rough diagram. Here I have to draw a circle. Let center of the circle is O and the radius is 3 cm. Now if I joint the radius on other part, I can name it as a B and it will become diameter AB. Now I have to extend this diameter so that I can take another point P and Q which is 7 cm away from the center. So OP and OQ. Here the condition is that radius is equal to 3 cm and the distance OP is equal to distance OQ is equal to 7 cm. ये हमारा मेन कंडीशन है. Now next time what I have to do, I have to draw tangents from P to the circle O. Similarly, I have to draw tangents from Q to the circle O. Now, our students are very much perfect how to draw the tangents. ठीक है, आपको पता है कि आपको क्या करना है. OP का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर निकाल लो. Let this is our point C. Then OQ का परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर निकाल लो. This is our point D. Taking OC as a distance, draw a circle. Taking OD as a distance, again draw a circle and then name this point. ये जो आपके पॉइंट्स आ रहे हैं यहाँ पे पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन के, इन्हें आप लोग ज्वाइन कर लो. काफ़ी मस्त फिगर बनने वाला है. द फिगर इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी मच इंटरेस्टिंग. कहीं पे भी आपको कुछ भी डाउट आ गया, immediately you can pause the video, you can rewind it or you can mention it in the comment box. I will reply it for sure. Now here I have taken 3 cm distance in the compass and let us draw a circle. एक सर्कल ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. ये आ गया अपना सर्कल हर बार की तरह. डायग्राम्स बहुत अच्छी लगती है सर्कल्स की, क्वाड्रिलेटरल्स की. वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड द डायग्राम then it becomes very much easy to remember their formulas related to area, volume and other things. Okay, so this is the point A and point B. Now we know AB is the diameter and this AB diameter is extended. On this extension of AB, I have taken a point P which is 7 cm away from O and another point Q which is also 7 cm away from Q. So I will just mention the distance here. OA is equal to 3 centimeter, OP is equal to OQ is equal to 7 centimeter. Next, what I have to do, take more than half distance of OP in our compass and then draw the perpendicular bisector of OP. Now you know how to draw. Draw one arc above the OP, draw one arc below the OP. Without changing the distance in the compass, keep your metallic pointer at point P and draw the arc to intersect our first arc. और अपने पहले वाले आर्क्स को, अच्छा ये हो नहीं रहा है, कोई बात नहीं, हम लोग फिर से ट्राई करते हैं इस साइड से. यस, नाउ दीज आर्क्स आर इंटरसेक्टिंग. ज्योमेट्रिकल कंस्ट्रक्शन में ये होता है. सो मेन थिंग इज दैट डोंट फियर about the mistakes or don't be shyful about the mistakes. ठीक है, mistakes are going to happen. We need to overcome them by practice. Practice gives the perfection. Now here I got point OP and perpendicular bisector of OP. Let this is our point, we can call it as a C. ये point हमारा आ गया C. Then again I have to draw the perpendicular bisector of OQ. So same thing, take more than half of the distance of OQ and draw two arcs. अब की बार देखो परफेक्टली एक ही बार में आ गया. Let this is my point D. Now I have to draw two circles. For first circle, take CP as a radius. OP नहीं, CP. Take CP as a radius and draw the circle. Now again same thing, अपना जो distance है CP and ODO सेम ही आने वाला है. So take OD as radius, they are our touching circles. ये जो है इन्हें हम अपने touching circles भी कहते हैं because they touch each other in a single point. So they are the touching circles. Now here we got different point. So let this is our point L, M, and this is our point X and Y. As I have to draw two tangents from point P to the circle having center O, what I will do, I will join the PL को join कर लो, then join PM को भी join कर देते हैं. Yes, so they are the two tangents PL and PM. Again I will join QX and QY. This is our required figure. ये बन गई हमारी required figure. इसमें हमें कुछ मेजरमेंट के लिए नहीं कहा है. So we will not measure anything because they haven't asked the length of PL. क्वेश्चन में कुछ पूछा नहीं है, जितना क्वेश्चन में पूछा है वही आंसर दे दो. स्टिक टू द पॉइंट्स सो दैट यू विल मैनेज द टाइम करेक्टली. So here PL and PM are tangents to circle O having radius 3 centimeter. Same thing we can write similarly QX and QY. Same logic is applied for QX and QY. Thank you.